Hi everyone, today we're diving into 3 most undervalued stocks that Wall Street is completely overlooking. We're talking big names in energy, materials, and media, trading at 50% discounts to their true value. I've analyzed the financials, growth potential, and risk for each one. So let's get started. First up, GE Vernova, ticker GEV, the unsung hero of the energy transition. Trading around $327, analysts see a whopping over 52% upside all the way up to $500 based on detailed valuation models. But that might be conservative given their dominance in small modular nuclear reactors. Just look at the fundamentals. $1.7 billion in operating cash flow, expanding margins since the spinoff, and a $9 billion global investment plan. They just dropped about $600 to expand their US factories for the surge in clean energy demand. Now, there are risks. Nuclear faces tough regulation and scaling new tech is never easy. But GEV isn't a startup. They have decades of expertise and a strong order book with major utilities. The market is pricing GEV like just another power company, but they're set to ride 2 megatrends: clean energy and the AI-driven electricity boom. With SMRs potentially at over $100 billion market by 2023, GEV looks deeply undervalued. Next, Albemarle, ticker ALB, the lithium powerhouse trading at about $81, a mind-boggling 47% discount to fair value based on discounted cash flow models. The bear case is simple. Lithium prices have created 80% from 2022 highs. But the bulls know ALB isn't a simple commodity play. They control 30% of the global lithium market, with world-class assets in Chile and Australia. Not just mining, they have advanced processing to make the high-purity chemicals that batteries actually use. Electric vehicles aren't slowing down. Every major automaker is ramping up production and they all need ALB's lithium. The company is playing the long game, expanding their lowest cost operations to boost margins. They're not a one-trick pony either, serving diverse global markets. Sure, there are risks. Debt is a bit high, lithium prices could stay low, oversupply fears linger, but the long-term EV trend isn't going anywhere and ALB is the best positioned lithium player to ride it. With prices implying another 50% discount to intrinsic value, this is a classic case of short-term pain for long-term gain. Finally, Warner Bros. Discovery, ticker WBD, a media mammoth trading like a distressed asset. At just around $10 a share, the market is valuing Warner Bros. Like it's about to go bust. But get this, their content library alone is worth $20 billion. That's all of HBO, CNN, Harry Potter, DC Comics, and more iconic IP. So why the disconnect? Well, the bears shout about the $45 billion debt load, the dying cable bundle, and the cash burn in streaming. But they're missing the plot. Warner Bros. Streaming losses are shrinking fast, and they're expanding margins to an impressive 28%, all while trading at a price-to-sales ratio of just 44 times versus peers that are at double that. You're basically buying a dollar's worth of asset for less than 45 cents. Sure, the debt is scary and streaming is competitive, but Warner Brother isn't a one-platform pony. They're actively monetizing across gaming, licensing, international markets, you name it. The bears are pricing in zero upside for one of the world's most valuable content libraries. With over $3.5 billion in free cash flow to tackle the debt and invest in growth, Warner Brother looks poised to prove them wrong. If they can just stabilize linearly and hit their direct-to-consumer targets, this could be one of the media deals of the decade. So there you have it, 3 deep value plays Wall Street is sleeping on. A clean energy leader with a nuclear edge, a lithium pure play cashing out on electric vehicles, and a media giant priced for bankruptcy. Remember, these aren't quick trades. You need patience and discipline to see these theses play out. But for those willing to buy when others are fearful, the upside could be tremendous. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What other undervalued stocks are on your radar? Do you agree with my take on GE Vernova, Albemarle, and Warner Bros. Discovery? Let me know in the comments below. I read every comment and your insights help shape future videos. Plus, I'll be doing a deep dive on the most mentioned stock from the comments in my next video, so don't miss out. If you found this valuable, smash the like button and subscribe for more in-depth stock breakdowns. Until next time, stay curious and keep hunting for those hidden gems.